Good day, family. I'm Akili Worthy. And when I think about my geniuses, the first things that come to mind are intellectual, enterprising, um, and someone who likes to push the envelope. I'm the owner, operator, CEO, founder, and creator of Ankh Kouture. Ankh Kouture is a Kemetically inspired bag line that features high quality bags that center Black women. I believe that my goal is to be a memory restoration advocate. I'm all about the advancement, elevation, and growth of Black people. We are such amazing beings, but due to the fact that we've been taught everybody else's history and lied so extensively to about our own, we have a lot of confusion. And that's why I talk about memory restoration. I want us to get to a space so we know who we were and whom we've always been, and again, who we shall be, right? So, with my brand of bags, I really, you know, love some components about fashion. And in 2023, when I was looking to, patronize more Black businesses, I didn't see exactly what I was looking for in terms of a bag. There are a lot of great Black bag brands out there, but I was looking for something that spoke to the urban mystic chick side of me, something that spoke to the manifester and the healer and the spiritual components that also celebrate that African heritage as well as African American heritage, and all of the things that we've really brought to the planet in terms of spirituality and science and uh, just the brilliance of who we are. I could go on about that, but I believe that genius is common. In the original people, we basically can be credited for anything that people use or anything that's really of value. It can really be traced back to a Black person. So everybody's genius is individualized for sure, but I certainly believe that we have the opportunity to tap back into that genius if we take part in understanding corrective history and doing things like this. Ashe.